Okay, now it's time for the front skirts. They're both the same, so I'm just going to put these to the side. One thing I'll note is that these three vents do not stick on very well, so they will need to be glued into place. For the most part, this guy's pretty simple. I had quite a few dimples that had to be sanded down, but other than that, nothing major. You can't really see it on this one, but there's this indentation right here with a lot of flash and stuff, and it wasn't so bad on this guy, but on this one, as you can see, just to level it out, I had to put in a lot of putty, and then there was a big scratch mark right here. Took out a fairly good size chunk, so that had to be filled in. And then underneath you have the arm. And, this guy is fairly simple, but this took a little more effort. So as you can see, it's a hinge, and there's three parts to it. So what I did was I got this first guy, the middle piece, and I glued them together. So there's a seam line all the way around, and sanded that away. And then I glued these two pieces over it. Still sort of working on this. You can sort of see that there's a big solid seam line all the way around here. And I'm doing this because I'm going to, as I mentioned previously, have this kit in a fixed pose. So my plan is to glue it in the position that it will be behind the skirt, like this, and then paint this as if it was one solid piece. Obviously, if you want the articulation, you're going to have to come up with something else or live with the seam line. And then last up is the hand, which does not hold in here pretty much at all. So this will be glued in. The fingers themselves barely hold together, so they'll be glued together before painting. And the thing I would want to note is that there is flash on each of these 6 fingers all the way around and on the inside as well, so you have to take care of that as well. But once you take care of that, everything starts to hold together pretty well, and looks pretty nice. So that's all I have for the front skirt. Alright.